updating your billing information on Citrix ShareFile is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains up to date. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Citrix ShareFile website and enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, find the Billing or Payment Information section. Click on this option to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on Citrix ShareFile. Keeping your account information current helps avoid any interruptions in service.